Hello. One might think that if we live a difficult childhood, that makes us more resilient. It's not the case, actually. It is, in fact, the contrary. When our organism has developed in an environment lacking affection and safe words, when our sensory niche has been bombarded by physical aggressions, hurtful words, and relational failure, our brain have been wired to direct daily stimulations toward the amygdala. The amygdala is the neurobiological base of emotions of anguish and fury. By developing in such an environment, we have acquired an ability to suffer, to experience existence with bitterness, and to see a hopeless world. But if, at the time when our brain was capable of astonishing plasticity, we developed in a safe, fun, loving, strengthening environment, our brain will acquire an ability to direct information to the nucleus accumbens, the neuronal base of emotions, of pleasant emotions that make us feel that we're living in a gratifying world. So, of course, a good start in life doesn't mean that it's a victory forever, but it actually makes us feel more secure, safer, more resilient. Thank you.